Here we go. It's time to shampoo my carpet. The reason for this is my son spilled some water last night in the carpet and it's still wet. I believe it's right here. And I'm not proud of how bad my carpet looks. But, it is what it is. So we finna vacuum first, and then we're going to use our Bissell here. I don't know, Bissell. I have a Bissell shampoo, and we're going to use that.
Ring-a-ding-ding.
Get all of these. But first, we're going to vacuum. I have a small little thing. But her room isn't the biggest, but it's ours. And a lot of y'all don't have that. But we're going to get all these areas. And we're going to make it do what it do. Because it's filthy. It's time. And it's just an excuse to do it. Because it needs to do it. So, I know y'all don't want to see me vacuuming. So, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to time lapse about 20 seconds of it and show y'all what it's like on the next go round. All right, I'm back again. I am going to pre-soak this carpet. This is a little mix that I got from online. Baking soda, Lysol, OxyClean, detergent. You can search online and find it. And now that I have to recall, I should have did that. But it is what it is. So what I'm going to do is take my trusty Ryobi, agitate it a little bit, and I'm going to get it going. And I'm going to time lapse that and then show you how it goes. Back at it. Didn't hit it. Now we're finna hit it with this brush. This is the underside of my bed. This is my side of the bed. I've already sprayed it and I've time lapsed it to show you what I'm doing. Side to side, side to side, side to side. That's all we're doing. Hopefully it comes out pretty good tomorrow. Round 3. That's looking a lot better. Now I know it may just be my bias, but this is what I got, and it costs more than $40 at Wily World. So that's the water that you know is coming out. Now it's not. But that's the spackle. That should be spinning. Alright, this is my second to last agitate I'm going to do over there. Here. As you can see, that's looking a lot better already. That's looking a lot better already, boys and girls. This is what I got. Making it work. Rug doctor's cool, but this is what I got. Alright, let's go. I bought these brushes to do my tile, believe it or not. But I made one and I saw the home DIY guys that are doing the cars with these type of brushes. So I said, let me get a pair and agitate my own stuff. See if I can make it a little cleaner, because it needed, y'all. Need it bad. That's some old gun say. You gotta have one if you got kids in the house, which I do. Real tight space, but we gonna make it do what it do. Alright, we got all that. Well, not bad for some Ryobi and Bissell. You know, I was thinking, going at the channel, I said I'm gonna have to buy me another terabyte. Now, I said that's true, but I look over there. That's my wife's old laptop. It's got at least 128 gigs in it. All I gotta do is buy an enclosure, plug that bad boy up, and I'm on. Whatever's got in there is free, because I can dump all her information on my terabyte and not miss a beat. So you gotta use what you got. All right, quick check. This is an update of what a Bissell can do for your life. Look, it's not even dry, y'all. Still looks better. Anyway, that's all I got. Wife's home. Trying to get lunch. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Out.